In the same way this water dispenser works. Now we will see how this soap and water dispenser works. These are the switches. And in these buckets you can see water. This is soap water and this is normal water. And in this is the submersible pump. And this is also submersible pump. And these are the outputs from where we get soap water and normal water. Hello everyone, this is Sandeep. You are with me on KSY Creations. In this video, we are going to make soap and water dispenser with help of these relays. These are the main components which we need. We need switches. I am using 9 volts battery. One relay is for soap dispenser and one is for water dispenser. I am using this submersible pump. This can be operated on 3 volts to 6 volts. I will use this for soap dispenser, and this is the 220 volts submersible motor. I will use this for water dispenser. We need this type of pipes. This pipe is for this small pump and this pipe is for this big pump. We need some wires. Now first we will see how to connect battery to the relay. In place of this battery you can use 9 volts adapter or 12 volts adapter. I am using this battery. I will connect one of the battery terminal to relay terminal. Now in between these terminals we have to add a switch. Here you can see I have soldered a wire to the switch. I will connect this battery terminal to the switch and this switch wire to the relay. Now when we press this switch, you can hear the relay sound. Now we will see how to connect this pump to the relay. Before connecting this pump to relay, we will connect this to battery because I am going to run this with battery. If you want, you can use 3 volts to 6 volts adapter. Here I will connect battery terminal and motor terminal together. In this way I have connected these wires. Now these two wires we have to connect to the relay. We have to connect one of the wire to this middle terminal. I am going to connect another wire to this terminal. If we connect here, you can see motor is running without any control. If we connect here, we can control this motor through this switch. I will connect this pipe to the pump and I will use this type of outlet, connect this to other end of the pipe. In this way this dispenser will look. I will put this submersible pump into soap water. When I press this switch with foot, soap water will come from this outlet. In the same way, I will make water dispenser also. Now we will see how these dispensers work. Here I have made minor changes. In place of batteries, I have added these adapters which are of 12 volts and 9 volts. If we see inside this, you can see here are the relays. As I said, there is no need to touch with hands. We can operate this with foot. These are the switches. We have to press this with foot.